Hello teachers, there is a provision of bonus marks in almost all competitive and entrance exams. Just because in some cases there may be a human error while drafting the question paper. So to eliminate this issue, there is a provision of bonus marks, means in that case full marks are given to all the candidates for this particular question. So how we can do it in Examinate Test Generator, let's see. This is the result screen in test generator. In that case, we can see the marks obtained are 18 and the score is 10%. So if you want to add bonus marks to any question, we will go to this bonus marks option on the top right. Then we will select the question here like this, and we will show you all the questions in this question paper by the sequence. Let's take question number 1, click select, and then enter the bonus marks for this particular question. It is 4 marker question, so I am adding 4 marks. Click add marks, then it will show in step 2. Before proceeding to process the marks, you should add all such questions where you want to give bonus marks. So let's take another question. Let's take question number 7, and it is 3 marker question, so I am giving 3 marks. You can give the exact marks or less than that. Then click add marks. So we have added two question number 1 and question number 7. We can verify by clicking this I button that the exact question that we want to give bonus marks is correct, like this. You can also edit the marks or delete this line from here. Once you have verified everything, you can click on this apply bonus marks and then click process marks. But before clicking process marks, make sure that all the questions you have added for which you want to give bonus marks, and once you have clicked the process marks, you will not be able to change it. You will not be able to add more questions or delete any question from this bonus marks process. So be careful, and after proper verification, click this process marks. So now the marks obtained is 24 and score is 13.33. So this way we can add bonus marks against incorrect questions to all the students. If you have any other suggestion to improve our test generator interface, do let us know. Thank you for watching.